Hello and welcome to EasyLux. Today we will be showing you how to install the AFL Sun LED floodlight. This one is the 10-watt variant in the small housing. We also have the large housing for the 30-watt or 50-watt variant. The floodlights are available in black and in white. You can choose between 3000 and 5000 Kelvin for the light color. The floodlight is the ideal solution for illuminating paths. In contrast to the OFL Sun LED floodlight, the AFL Sun LED floodlight has a 160-degree motion detector in its lower section. This has a range of up to 20 meters at an installation height of 2.5 meters. We will now show you how to mount the floodlight. You can use the ITD special bracket to mount the floodlight on a straight wall, in an inner corner or on an outer corner. Insert, turn, done. Please follow the safety instructions. Switch off the power to the cable. Then check that the cable is de-energized. Next, open the connection box. Loosen the union nut and remove the seal. This seals the entry point for the power cable. Next, connect the cables as shown in the wiring diagram. The neutral conductor, phase and earth are always connected. Additional lights can be connected via L-. Several AFL Sun floodlights can also be connected via L-. Continuous lighting can be connected with a switch. Then the cord grip is screwed down. The connection box is closed again. And the union nut is tightened. There are two controllers at the bottom on the motion detector. If necessary, you can configure the light switching value and the switch-off delay time. Now you can align the floodlight and the motion detector. If necessary, you can use the enclosed adhesive film to mask parts of the motion detector. This allows you to limit the field of detection. You can then switch the mains voltage back on. The floodlight is now ready for use. I hope you found the video helpful. Why not pay us a visit at easylux.com? Until next time.